It is day 2 in the criminal trial of former President Donald Trump, and it was the first full day of jury selection after only 2 hours yesterday.
So far tonight, 6 jurors have been selected in what will be a pool of 12. There will also be 6 alternates. Trump is facing 34 felony charges of falsifying business records for so-called hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. And CBS 2's Alice Gaynor live at the courthouse for us. She's been inside all day. Alice?
So of the 6 jurors who have been selected so far, 3 are men, 3 are women. Their jobs range from corporate attorney to nurse to teacher to software engineer. They were selected after more people were dismissed this morning for various reasons, including several who told the court that after thinking about it overnight, they decided ultimately they couldn't be fair and impartial after all. Tuesday morning, several more prospective jurors were dismissed. This woman was excused due to work. She explains she felt 2 things in that courtroom.
The first is this is an extremely important historic moment.
The second,
you've seen him on TV and as this blown up public figure for so long, and you walk by and it's just another guy sitting in the courtroom.
This man didn't want the pressure.
If he gets convicted, then people that your Republican friends say, why did you do that? When you could have hung the jury. And if he's not convicted, you have other friends that say, man, how could you do that?
Prosecutors told prospective jurors the case has nothing to do with your personal politics. This case is about whether this man broke the law. Once 18 prospective jurors were in the box after giving their answers to the 42 questions on the questionnaire, both sides had 30 minutes each to question them. Prosecutors asked if anyone had a problem holding a defendant responsible for what his partners did and used the example, let's say a husband hires a hitman to kill his wife. A defense attorney told them, you all know him in different ways and you all have different views of him based upon different factors in your life. He asked their opinions about Trump. The first juror replied he'd be treated like anyone else, that no one is above the law. And that juror has been selected to serve. During the challenge portion, some were dismissed for social media posts about Trump that the defense pulled up. One had previously posted, "Get him out and lock him up." As the judge noted, the defendant, Donald Trump, is facing potential jail sentence, which would be lockup. The jury is anonymous to the public, but attorneys on both sides know their names. That's how they were able to pull up the social media and look at the posts with the judge and make those challenges. Now, court is not in session tomorrow, but we will be back for jury selection on Thursday. Live outside of Manhattan Criminal Court, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
All right, Alice, thank you. And on our website, you can find more information, including the full questionnaire being filled out by prospective jurors, that and more on cbsnewyork.com.